Beckett Condensate Pump Installation. Select a location for the tank that is level and below the condensate drain line or pan. The lid can rotate to provide the most flexible adaptability for installation. The bullseye level confirms level installation. Multi-slot mounting tabs are convenient for wall mounting and retrofit with other major pump brands. Select one of 4 inlets and remove the plastic knockout. Extend the drain tubing below the lid 1 inch, but not all the way to the bottom, for unrestricted inlet flow. The pump outlet is a replaceable twist-lock check valve that connects to 3/8-inch ID vinyl tubing. After the peak pumping height, slant the outlet tubing down to assist gravity drainage. Select the correct pump and flow rate to match your specific installation. The safety switch leads may be connected to the low-voltage thermostat to shut down the HVAC system in case of a high water condition. The Lift to Test tab helps you easily confirm pump operation with or without water present. The main switch automatically starts and stops the pump based on water level in the tank. Beckett, pumps you can trust.